Do you need to know how to change any of the bulbs to the main light unit on the back end of your Citroen C1? Come with me, let me show you how. With the glass hatch up, with a 10mm socket or spanner, remove those bolts. Lift that edge away from the bodywork. Pull it sideways and get your fingers behind it. If you look at the side of the light unit, you'll see that there are two small ball joints. The one at the top locates into this plastic clip, and the one at the bottom locates into a plastic receiver. Like with all electrical connectors, these are awkward little blighters to get undone. Use a small screwdriver, 3 or 4mm, and press down on this little tag and push out the connector at the same time. We need to remove the bulb holder, which is this unit on the rear here. At the bottom end of the light you'll find there's a tag. Put your finger behind that tag and push upwards, and then on these 4 tags here, lift them away. As you can see, it starts to come up. Third one there. There is of course always one that's really awkward to get at. I find it easier to get at that with a small screwdriver, and then the light unit simply lifts out. P21W for the fog light, P21W for the reverse light, and a P21/5W for the tail light and brake light. Whilst you're in here, just check in here, make sure it's clean, make sure there's no water ingress, check the integrity of the rubber seal around the edge. Having changed the bulbs, it's simply the reverse process to put it back on. Slip it into place gently, making sure that you can see that the bulbs go into place. Push down. Again, I suggest you do the awkward one first. Make sure that the lips on the bulb holder are on the outside of the light unit. Job's a good one. To put the main light unit back, put the connector back home first. Push home the lower ball joint first, then the upper ball joint, and put the screws back in. No need to go mad tightening them up, just nip them up hand tight will be sufficient. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, down below in the comment section. I'll endeavour to help anybody who asks for. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.